Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that sentiment token is good or not. Now before we start the video, let's hear my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. Firstly, you have to open this token on CoinMarketCap and copy this address. After that, you have to open GoPlusLab.io website and paste here token address. And you have to select this token native blockchain and click on check button. So here you can check risky item and attention item. Risky item is 0 and attention item is 1. Here in this attention, proxy contract. This contract is an admin upgradability proxy. The proxy contract means the contract owner can modify the function of the token and could possibly affect the price. There is possibly a way for the team Ragor scam. Now here you can see top 10 holders liquidity percentage. Top 10 holders liquidity percentage is around 99%. Token holders is around 3000. Token holders is around 3300 and total supply is around 34 billion sentiment token. After that you have to open this token on CoinMarketCap and click on market section. Now here you can check this token is listed on Binance, Binance Alpha, Coinbase, Bybit and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 90% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.